On that rap a lot, grew up on that native sons. Beats be like I trap a lot, rhyme like all I say is son. That's DC though, we made them one, that's 95. North and south, in the middle of the drive where I reside is what I'm talking about. Let's take a ride, that's where I learn to rhyme. Niggas learn to aim, and we talking minds, and we talking brains, and we grip the chrome. But your microphone or that other thing, man, it's all the same. A lot of rappers came, a lot of rappers left, but it was essence stayed, and we in the depths. No referees, and that call was made, or that ball was played, and we intercept. And I handed drink tickets to my niggas in the club, cause I don't sip nothing unless it's coming in the mug. No, I ain't without a vice, always doing what you like at a price too quite like getting you a drug. I didn't go to Howard and I never wish I had, and I wasn't in the air and I wasn't in the class, but I was in the lab, turning music in the math in the dorm room. So when I ain't never have a pass with 16 fan Euclid meet high fruit, so she's super sweet. Hit Tinley Town, my John knows, then Georgetown for the movie seat. That's new school and O2, eating organic with a go-to, getting ignorant like no school or the world I was exposed to. Cause PG Rainey, DC made me, NY paid me, all around the globe. My crew crazy, do it on the daily. What's that hustle? Y'all already know. I be on the ground like I'm running out of time, but I'm doing what I love, so the clock moves slow. Murder isn't a crime when you just killing time. Go, PG Rainey, DC made me, NY paid me, all around the globe. My crew crazy, do it on the daily. What's that hustle? Y'all already know. I be on the ground like I'm running out of time, but I'm doing what I love, so the clock moves slow. Murder isn't a crime when you just killing time. Go. Woke up out in Moscow, fell asleep in Reykjavik. Wrote this verse while on the plane. Tell your man to send a check. Drive me to my hotel, make this beat along the way. Then put that in your Dropbox, my nigga, why you take so long to pay? Wrote this song at soundcheck, interview before the stage. That's 2 countries, beats and rhymes, 1 show, normal day. What you call a hustle, I call rest time. And your deadline pushed, then I need less time. I'm a man of the stars, relativity is law, and me and Einstein learn how to stress time. Science only answers how, religion only answers why. The 2 combined is true design, so respect to God, cause he drew the lines. I'm tracing paper, I'm chasing paper. The world is cream and I'm going green. Ultraviolet hit my eyelids, limelight tanning on the scene. My skin is bronze like Jesus' feet. My head's wool, my fleece is sheep. My scully off, my album out, and I'm ahead releasing heat. Like all the time in the world, I got no clock to watch, no need to speed. I don't ask for it, I take my time, and I want more than I could ever need. Cause PG Rainey, DC made me, NY paid me, all around the globe. My crew crazy, do it on the daily. What's that hustle? Y'all already know. I be on the ground like I'm running out of time, but I'm doing what I love, so the clock moves slow. Murder isn't a crime when you just killing time. Go, PG Rainey, DC made me, NY paid me, all around the globe. My crew crazy, do it on the daily. What's that hustle? Y'all